My name is Ankit and I am going to tell you that how the Flebos will use the application and how they will create the booking from the application. First, they will have to click this sidebar and go to My Booking Leads. While they visit My Booking Leads, they will show all the booking leads which are assigned to them. They just have to click on the lead, and here all the details are visible of the pickup location, Flebo name, address and mobile number of the patient, and all the tests which they have to take from the patient home or client address. They just have to click on create booking. The booking summary page will be visible. First they will have to click on the add edit button, then the number which is filled by the sales executive on the lead will be filled above. Then they have to click on get details. If the mobile number is already present in the system, the details will be visible like this and it will autofill. Otherwise, the Flebo has to fill the details only once, and then again all the details will be filled automatically by the system. Then they click to save. Then again they have to edit or add the patient and test details if they want. Click on just edit. If it is existing patient, then just click on existing. Select the title and the patient name. If it is a new patient, then I just click on new patient and fill the details once and click on save. Then sample collection slot. If I am collecting this booking now, then I have to click on I am collecting this booking now. If I am collecting this booking in future, then I just have to click on future booking and select the date and time. So I am collecting this booking now, so I click on I am collecting this booking now. Click on save. Then all the details have been filled. Click on create booking. The booking has created successfully. Then click on today's booking and you can see the details will be visible in today's booking. Then I have to collect on the patient Ankit. Just click on this. All the ETA distance view direction visible in this page, and amount to collect is also visible 1105. There are three options: on hold, reschedule and start. If I click on hold, then I have to select on reason, then why I am putting this booking on hold, and with the remarks then click on save button. If I want to reschedule the booking, I just have to click on reschedule, propose new date, time, the reason of the rescheduling it, and remarks. If I click on submit, then I have to fill the OTP which I have to take from the patient. In this, I have to fill the OTP and then click on verify OTP. Then the booking will put on rescheduled if the patient wants to reschedule the booking. If you want to collect the booking, you just have to click on start while you are going to patient house for the collection, and then these type of messages will be sent to the patient. Dear client, Flebo is en route, arriving in 1 hour. Then I have to click on reached. Then all the tests will be visible, electrolysis and CBC MP I have to collect. Then I have to click on proceed. Then all the tubes which I have to collect are already selected here. If you want to add any vial, just click on add vials, and then this drop down will be visible where you can add your vial also. If this vial already exists, then you can take any other vial like fluid, add. The vial has added successfully. If you have your barcodes along with the tube, you can also scan or type in this field like this, or you have a scanner, you can just open the scanner and scan the barcode also. Then sample description, click on fasting PP or random. Then your last meal time, when the patient has its last meal. If you want to upload any prescription, you can just click on this upload TRF prescription and upload your manual prescription also. Then upload patient signature. Here the patient will signature on the Flebo mobile application. Click on save and submit it. Submit. Next. Now here two options are available, cash and online. If you click on online, then an SMS link will be shared with the patient's mobile number. Here WhatsApp option is already there. You can share the link via WhatsApp, and based on that link the patient will done your online payment. And if you are going with the cash, you just have to click on cash, pay amount, submit. Then again you have to enter the OTP from the patient's mobile number. Like this, the patient will get the OTP 307091. 307091. Verify OTP. Cash pickup successfully. If you click on dashboard, you can see you have one booking assigned and you have completed that book.